Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the PIN number on the Admirals application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the services button down below, marked with this three dot button in the right side corner at the bottom, and then click on the settings button. After that, tap on change PIN, which is the third option. Then you should enter your current passcode and then click on the continue button. Then enter your new passcode and click on continue and confirm your new passcode by typing it again, and then finally click on the done button at the bottom to update your new passcode or PIN code. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.